VegaLab. Discovery comes naturally to us. By the year 2050, our planet will be inhabited by more than 10 billion people. To feed our world, every acre of farmland will need to produce 3 times as much food, using the same amount of clean land and water as it does today. To ensure a future for our children, we need to make the world a more sustainable place today. Welcome to VegaLab, dedicated to the sustainable future of agriculture. Headquartered in Geneva, with offices all over the globe, we employ over 200 people and have customers in almost every continent. Since 2006, we have grown into a global manufacturer and distributor. Our products are designed to optimize the world's resources and encourage progressive change in our society. We make natural alternatives to the destructive pesticides and fertilizers that dominate the market today. VegaLab laboratories have discovered methods and technologies for extracting oils within plants that ward off pests and harmful diseases naturally. By micronizing and amplifying these natural oils, we increase their effectiveness, thereby reducing the amount of pesticide necessary to achieve the same result. This way, we minimize the way humanity leaves its biological footprint on the earth, both in the agricultural process and as consumers. We enable farmers to combat disease without degrading the environment. How do we do it? Micronization and amplification. Our oil-based products have higher dilution rates with better efficacy than other products on the market. This is thanks to VegaLab's process of micronization and amplification. It enables the oils to cover a larger surface area with a deeper penetration into the crevices. And by pairing the oils with specific adjuvants and alcohol solvents, we increase the oil to water bonding capacity, which increases the dilution rates. We formulate our products to reduce their chemical footprint and increase their absorption into the plant. By removing pounds of inorganic minerals, we avoid volatilizing and leaching of chemicals into the water table. All of this means we use less pesticides and fertilizers to achieve better crop results. Transforming the future with unique innovation. Our research has created some groundbreaking innovations previously unseen in the farming world. From using a byproduct of burnt wood to increase growth rates, to applying an ancient Chinese medicine as a human-safe insecticide. We are always looking to go beyond convention and deliver innovation that changes the world. Did you know? Urea ammonium nitrate is the most common derived source of nitrogen in our products. It's also the most readily available form of nitrogen for plants. Amino acids, organic acids, and other complexing agents like glycine betaine, citric acid, and glutamic acid all aid in faster absorption of the minerals in our products. The ingredients in our fertilizers are food-grade quality. Elicitors are a form of biostimulant that facilitates a naturally occurring function of a plant. Using these compounds can result in higher yields and faster growth rates. Simple carbohydrates provide an excellent source of microbial food to rebuild or enhance the microbial ecosystem inside the soil. Xylose is the only sugar that is readily absorbed into the plants via the root system and provides an energy boost to the plant's metabolism. Trehalose dehydrates into a gel. After absorbing it, plant cells can withstand destruction from dehydration and regain their normal cellular activity after rehydration. Seaweed is known to have many important biostimulants and chelating agents. By combining kelp with Pyrolignia's liquor, we can improve the yield and quality of fruits and vegetables. Our scientists are experts at in vivo cultivation techniques, formulating products with microorganisms that aid plants and enhance the fertility of the soil itself. The microbial expression from our microbial products are unique. They promote the growth of root systems, solubilizing nutrition, and provide competitive beneficial organisms that decompose harmful pathogens. All of VegaLab's products are safe and promote the growth of beneficial microorganisms and pollinators. Pollen Boost contains propolis, a source of material that bees search for and collect through pollination. A lot of our fertilizers contain sucrose, providing a microbial food for beneficial organisms to grow, expand, and outcompete any detrimental pathogens that reduce crop life and yield. All of this means that we can create our uniquely natural product range designed to create a sustainable future for us all. Our products come under 4 categories: bio, biological inoculants, insecticides, and fungicides; boost, all natural specialty fertilizers, soil amendments, and beneficial substances; control, plant-extracted insecticides and fungicides; and pro, all natural fertilizers. By developing sustainable methods for environmental protection, listening to the needs of and issues faced by farmers of all sizes, and continuously improving our formulas, we are creating a path to social responsibility. And we would like you to join us. Vega Lab, dedicated to the sustainable future of agriculture.